The landing gear of the Airbus A380 is, honestly, an engineering masterpiece. It's specifically designed to support the massive weight of the aircraft and ensure safe takeoffs and landings. Here's a detailed overview of its design and functionality. Key features of the Airbus A380 landing gear include, firstly, its unique configuration. The A380 has 4 main landing gear assemblies, 2 located under the wings and 2 at the rear, or the fuselage. Each of these assemblies has 2 wheels, which altogether makes a total of 22 wheels. Now, when it comes to weight support, the landing gear must handle the A380's maximum takeoff weight, which is about 1.3 million pounds, or 590,000 kilograms. The gear is engineered to distribute this weight evenly across all the wheels, minimizing ground pressure and reducing the risk of runway damage. The nose landing gear includes 2 wheels and is fitted with struts to absorb shock during landing and provide stability while taxiing. It's also got a steering system, which allows for better maneuverability on the ground. As for shock absorption, the landing gear features advanced hydraulic shock absorbers that soak up the impact forces during landing. These systems help smooth out the landing and protect the aircraft structure from, excessive wear and tear. The A380's landing gear is retractable, folding neatly into the aircraft's structure to reduce drag during flight. The retraction and extension of the gear are managed by hydraulic systems, which ensure reliable operation every time. When it comes to stopping, the braking system is made up of multiple layers, including wheel brakes and anti-skid systems, to make sure you get stable stopping power. Dynamic brake systems are also used, which help manage braking forces, especially useful during tricky weather conditions. Made from high-strength materials, the landing gear is designed to endure mechanical stress and environmental challenges. The gear's design incorporates safety factors and redundancy, ensuring that it can function effectively even if a part fails. So how does the landing gear of the Airbus A380 actually work? Well, as the aircraft approaches for landing, the pilots deploy the landing gear using cockpit controls. Once the landing gear is extended, the aircraft's electronics confirm the gear is locked in place. Upon touchdown, the shock absorbers compress to absorb the impact and the brakes engage to slow the aircraft. The anti-skid system prevents wheel lockup and helps maintain control during braking. During taxiing, the nose gear's steering mechanism allows for controlled turns while the aircraft is on the ground, ensuring it can navigate taxiways and ramps easily. And then, in the takeoff phase, when taking off, the landing gear is retracted shortly after liftoff to reduce drag. The hydraulic systems unfold the landing gear smoothly into its stowed position in the main fuselage. The landing gear of the Airbus A380, well, it really embodies cutting-edge aerospace engineering. It combines a robust design, advanced materials and sophisticated systems to ensure the safety and efficiency of one of the largest commercial jets in operation today. This engineering feat, honestly, plays a crucial role in making sure the aircraft can land and take off as safely and smoothly as possible. The landing gear of the Airbus A380 is, a complex system that relies on the harmonious operation of mechanical, hydraulic and electrical components to ensure smooth landing and takeoff operations. Here's an overview of how these systems work together. Mechanical system. First up, the landing gear legs. The A380 has a quadricycle landing gear configuration, with 2 main landing gear legs and 2 wing landing gear legs. Each leg is equipped with a wheel and tire assembly. And then, for gear retraction, the landing gear legs are retracted into the aircraft's belly, using a mechanical linkage system. So, gear extension. The landing gear legs are extended using a combination of mechanical linkages and hydraulic actuators. Now, let's talk about the hydraulic system. The A380's hydraulic system provides power to the landing gear actuators, which control the extension and retraction of the landing gear legs. The hydraulic actuators use pressurized hydraulic fluid to extend or retract the landing gear legs. And gear locking. The hydraulic system also provides the necessary pressure to lock the landing gear legs in place during flight. So the A380's electrical system provides power to the landing gear control system, which in turn manages the extension and retraction of the landing gear legs. The electrical system, uses sensors and actuators to control the landing gear legs, making sure they extend and retract properly. The electrical system also provides indication of the landing gear position to the flight crew, helping them stay informed about the gear status at all times. The mechanical, hydraulic and electrical systems all work together to ensure synchronized extension and retraction of the landing gear legs. The landing gear control system, it uses data from sensors and actuators to control the extension and retraction of the landing gear legs. So monitoring is absolutely crucial here. The flight crew keeps a close eye on the landing gear position and status, using a series of indicators and warning systems to make sure everything's working as it should. Now, when it comes to smooth landing and takeoff operations, first up is gear extension. During landing, the landing gear legs are extended using the hydraulic actuators, which, by the way, are controlled by the electrical system. Once those landing gear legs are fully extended, the hydraulic system then locks them in place, ensuring stability during landing. After takeoff, it's time for gear retraction. The landing gear legs are retracted right into the aircraft's belly, using the mechanical linkage system, and this process is assisted by the hydraulic actuators. So, in summary, the mechanical, hydraulic and electrical systems of the Airbus A380's landing gear all work together in harmony to ensure smooth landing and takeoff operations. The integration of these systems provides the necessary control, monitoring and synchronization to guarantee safe and reliable landing gear operation. How does the shock absorber of Airbus A380 work? The shock absorber of the Airbus A380 is a critical component of the aircraft's landing gear system, responsible for absorbing the shock and vibrations generated during landing and taxiing. Here's a detailed overview of how it works. Components of the shock absorber. 1. Oleo-pneumatic cylinder. The shock absorber consists of an oleo-pneumatic cylinder, which is a combination of oil and gas, nitrogen or air, that works together to absorb shocks. 2. Piston and cylinder. The oleo-pneumatic cylinder consists of a piston and cylinder arrangement, where the piston moves up and down within the cylinder. 3. Orifice and valve. The shock absorber also features an orifice and valve system, which controls the flow of oil and gas within the cylinder. Working principle 1. Compression. During landing, the aircraft's weight compresses the shock absorber, causing the piston to move down within the cylinder. 2. Oil and gas flow. As the piston moves down, the oil and gas within the cylinder are compressed, and the orifice and valve system controls the flow of these fluids. 3. Shock absorption. The compression of the oil and gas absorbs the shock and vibrations generated during landing, reducing the impact on the aircraft's structure and occupants. 4. Extension. As the aircraft's weight is reduced during taxiing or takeoff, the shock absorber extends, and the piston moves up within the cylinder. Key features. 1. Self-contained. The shock absorber is a self-contained unit, requiring minimal maintenance and servicing. 2. Adjustable. The shock absorber can be adjusted to accommodate different aircraft weights and landing conditions. 3. Redundancy. The shock absorber has redundant systems to ensure continued operation in case of failure. The benefits of the shock absorbers. 1. Improved safety. The shock absorber enhances safety by reducing the impact of landing shocks on the aircraft's structure and occupants. 2. Reduced maintenance. The shock absorber's self-contained design and adjustable features reduce maintenance requirements and costs. 3. Enhanced comfort. The shock absorber provides a smoother ride for passengers and crew, reducing fatigue and improving overall comfort. In summary, the shock absorber of the Airbus A380 is a critical component that works by using an oleo-pneumatic cylinder, piston and cylinder arrangement to absorb shocks and vibrations during landing and taxiing. Its self-contained design, adjustable features, and redundant systems ensure improved safety, reduced maintenance, and enhanced comfort.